Welcome back to our homeschool learning, where we learn in our different houses. For today, you are again with me as we learn together math. Today, you are going to learn math concepts all said in English. And of course, you will be with me. My name is Teacher Riva and let's learn together. Are you ready? If you are ready, then let's start. And just like our previous videos, we start our lesson with a recap or a review. Let's review. It's review time. On the previous video, we had comparing numbers, whether it is greater than or less than. This is your symbol for greater than or bigger. This is for less than or smaller. And this is equal to, or whether the numbers have the same digits. The more number of digits a number has, the greater is its value. We also had arranging numbers with the same number of digits and different number of digits. How did we do arranging numbers having the same number of digits? All of the abacus in the screen has 5 digits. We have to look at the first number and find their value. Just like it. The value of 4 in 42,015 is 40,000. The value of 5 in 53,202 is 50,000. The value of 4 in 43,627 is 40,000. And the value of 3 in 37,365 is 30,000. When we are able to find their values, we can arrange them into 2 ways. First, we had ascending, which is going up, and descending, which is going down. As I have said, we also arrange numbers even if they have different number of digits. Like this. In this case, we can apply counting the number of digits in each number and finding the value of each digit in the first place value. So we can have the value of 2 in 2,413 is 2,000. The value of 3 in 37,365 is 30,000. And the value of 44 in 42,015 is 40,000. That means the smallest or the least number is 2,413. So if we arrange in ascending order, ascending order, 2,413 followed by 37,365 and lastly 42,015. That's arranging numbers with different number of digits. Make sure that you know how to find the value of each digit so that it would be easy for you to answer. Now, moving on, let's have the topics of the day. Topics means the lessons that we are going to talk about now. First, we will continue about patterns of numbers. Again, patterns of numbers. And then we move on to addition. Specifically, adding numbers with the sum of 100,000 or less, and simple addition word problems. So, basically, these would probably be our lessons that will be covered for and on this video. Let's begin first with knowing important words, vocabulary words, before we move on further. First is this. If you see this symbol, this represents the operation. Do you have idea? Okay, this represents addition. Listen carefully. Addition. Can you repeat after me? Addition. Very good. And if we do addition, when we perform operations or equations, we don't say 2 addition 2, but instead, we say plus. Now everybody, say plus. Very good. One more time, plus. When it's addition, it's associated with plus. Alright, very good. Next word, let's have vocabulary 2. Since we are talking about addition, let's know what are the numbers, or what do we call the numbers in an addition equation. First, let's have 1 over here, the blue one. This blue one is called oggend. Again, repeat after me. Oggend. Oggend. It's A-U-G-E-N-D. Oggend. Okay, this number here is an oggend. What is this? Okay, good job. Vocabulary 3, the second part of an addition equation. Let's have the orange number 1 here. This is called, or this is addend. Addend. One more time, addend. It's A-D-D-E-N-D. Addend. Alright, good job. And lastly, vocabulary 4, number 2 is called sum. Sum. Again, one more time, sum. Okay, very good. When we say sum, the sum is the answer when we perform addition process. What is this? Sum. Good job. Now, since we have known the parts, let's begin our topic. If you can see this picture, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 oranges. How about this? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 oranges. Next, how many oranges? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. there are 11 oranges or 12 oranges. And last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 oranges. Now, let's try to see what is the pattern of a number in those figures. Looking at this figure, let's answer this question. What number did we started counting? What number did we start counting? We started with, very good, we started with 4. And then we went up and it became 8. So it's 4 plus 4 equals 8. After 4, we had 8. Follow? And then, going up, we had this. How did we reach up to 12? It's 8 plus 4 equals 12. That's why after 4, we had 8, and after 8, we had 12. How did we reach 16? Still, we added 4 to 12. That now becomes 16. Remember, the number pattern of the numbers are in the pattern of 4s going up. Again, the number pattern of the numbers are in a pattern of 4s going up, which means every time we go up or the number goes up, it goes up by 4. That's why you can see here, we added 4, 4, and 4. If we continue, 16 plus 4, we can end up until 20, so on and so forth. Okay, that is going up. How about this? We have how many oranges this time? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. We have 18 oranges. How about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 15 oranges. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 oranges. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 18, we have 15, 12, 9, and 6. What is the pattern for these numbers? Going back, what number did we started counting? What number did we started counting? Okay, we began with 18. And then Then after 18, how did we got 15? That is, we subtracted it with 3. So it's 18 minus 3 equals 15. So 15 minus 3 equals 12. And then 12 minus 3 equals 9 until we have 9 minus 3 equals 6, and finally we have 6. The number pattern of the numbers are in a pattern of 3s this time. It's not 4, it's 3. The number pattern of the numbers are in a pattern of 3s going down. It's going down, not going up. Pattern 3, because every time we subtract or minus it with 3, we get the corresponding value. So if we try to continue more, let's use 6. So 6 minus 3, the next number for 6 would be 3. Okay? Now, let's go into adding numbers with a sum of 100,000 or less. Looking at this abacus, you can see two colors, right? The red beads, or this color red tawa, sideng, red beads, they are our ogend. And our green beads, or sikiao, is for our addends. Going back to the position of our parts, we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. We have 3,241 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, 4, 2, 5. And we add them together, we get 8,666. Remember, when we add two numbers, when we add two numbers, add the digits in each place. Start from the right. So 1 and 5, 4 and 2, 2 and 4, 3 and 5. Okay? Next, I have here a word problem. I will read it for you. A rose farm grows 3,214 red rose trees, 2,320 pink rose trees, and 1,465 yellow rose trees. How many rose trees does this rose farm have altogether? Again, a rose farm grows, or shall we use has, 3,214 red rose trees, 2,320 pink rose trees, and 1,465 yellow rose trees. How many rose trees are there in the rose farm? This time we're going to put them together through the use of the addition operation. So it's 3,214 plus 2,320 and 1,465. Add from the right. 4 plus 0 plus 6 equals 9. 5. 1 plus 2 plus 6 equals 9. 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals 9. 3 plus 2 plus 1 equals 6. The answer is 6,999. Remember, when we add 3 numbers, add the digits in each place. Just the same when we add 2 numbers. Okay? Next, let's try adding numbers with the need of carrying a number. Example this. The first abacus here would represent our oggend, and the second abacus will represent our addends. So when we write, it's 3,627 plus 3,245. What could be the answer? How do we add with carrying? We have 3 ways. First, you can add with diagram or figures. You can find the sum using expanded form, and you can also find the sum using column addition. And for the next slide, we're going to use column addition. What's column addition? So let's see. Our number sentence is 3,627 plus 3,245. Remember to align the numbers correctly. Okay? Remember and make sure that numbers are aligned or arranged properly to get the correct answer. Now let's begin with step 1. 3,627 plus 3,245. Start with adding 7 and 5. 7 plus 5 equals 12. Since 12 is a 2-digit number, we put down 2 and we put and write 1 on top of 2. This is step 1. 1 here, you say carry because you move up the first digit of the sum. Okay? 7 plus 5 equals 12. Bring down 2, carry 1. That is step 1. Step 2, after adding 7 and 5 and carrying 1, you proceed to adding the carried number, which is 1. So it's 1 plus 2 equals 3 plus 4 equals 7. This is your step 2. Step 3, eight, and step 4, 6. So our final answer is 6,872. In this example, we had used 1 carry, which is 1. The sum of 3,627 and 3,245 is 6,872. Alright, we have learned a lot from this video, right? If you had not dived in with teacher, you can watch the video again during your free time. But for now, I want to thank you for listening and watching, and that's all for today. See you next time and keep safe always. Goodbye, everyone.